Hello Udemy, I am Shazal Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 8. Today we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators and why you use the arithmetic operators. First of all, arithmetic operators perform the arithmetic on numbers or with two variables. You can perform the arithmetic operations on numbers and on two variables. Okay, for suppose if you have, so you are familiar with data types. This is a string data type, floating, boolean, and this is an integer. Now how many arithmetic operators available? Plus for addition, first of all, minus for subtraction, multiplication for multiplication, and you have a backslash, that means division, dividing something, or you have a modular or remainder, and you also have the plus sign, plus or the minus. We will use all of them. Okay, so plus is the increment operator and minus is the decrement operator. For suppose you have variables x and you have variables y. Okay, so now I'm saying it's a 20 or I'm saying it's a 10. Okay, so now that means you are declaring a variable x and you are declaring the variable y here, and you are assigning the 10 value to your x variable, 10 value to your y variables. Okay, in your algebra you always do this. Okay, so now I'm saying document for the output, document dot get element by id. Which id? You have your index.html file, you have your my id. So single quotations or double quotations, okay, it's totally depend upon you. I'm saying my id, I is capital. Okay, so now I'm saying inner.text or inner.html. So we will discuss about the difference between them, but for now I'm saying inner.text. You can also use inner.html. Okay, so now I'm saying x plus y. Okay, that means 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now you can see it's saying 20. If you are using the subtraction, you can use the minus sign. You can also add the space. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see it's showing 0 because 10 minus 10 equals to 0. If you are using dividing x divided by y, go to your page, refresh the page. Now it's saying 1. And if you are saying multiplications, go to your page, refresh the page. So now it's saying 100 because 10 multiplied by 10 equals to 100. If you are using the modular or the remainder, go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see the remainder is 0. So what about the plus and what about the minus? We will discuss about them in a little like this, but for now, if you have a 10 value in your x variables and you are saying x plus, that means you are adding one value to your x. So your previous value is 10, you are saying oh add one value, that means x plus 1. So what is the value now? Now the value is 11 because you are adding the 1 to your x. Okay, if you are doing like this x plus, that means you are saying that oh please add the 1 value to your x, so it's also 11. And if you are saying x minus, that means you are subtracting 1 value to your x variable. So current value is 20 and now you are saying oh subtract the 1 value, so now the result is 9. So in this way your increment and decrement operators works. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics like assignments or assignment operators, how many ways to use the assignment operators. So thank you for watching.